Welcome back, everyone. Mudford here. Just when you think you're done working on something, that's when you end up doing a whole bunch more work on it. Thought I was done with the LT80. Had things just about the way we liked. The kid's getting a little too tall now, so we got him some taller handlebars. They're 2.5 inches higher. They should be better for motocross. He's going to be racing the motocross next week, so we're going to hurry up and get those swapped out. We also have some loose tie rod ends. So we got these heavy, they're supposed to be heavier duty. So we're going to try getting these on and see if that helps. I noticed his wheels were wobbling, checked them, and the tie rods had a ton of play in them. So we're going to replace all 4 of them. We're also throwing a new front bumper. It's a little sturdier than this one. It's a DG one, bigger pipe, aluminum. We'll just throw that on. Hopefully it'll look nicer. He's flat in that one hitting the tree, so we're going to go ahead and get that done also. Tonight I'm just going to get these new tie rods on though. These all balls racing tie rod ends are supposed to be heavier duty than the stock ones. They look quite similar to me. I mean, yeah, there's a few differences, but maybe they'll be stronger. All I know is these are 31 years old and they're wore out. So we got the new ones on. I'm going to go ahead and put it in, and then we'll get the other side, and then we'll adjust the toe on it. Got it all together with the new tie rods in, the new castle nuts on, and cotter pins in. Left those loose. We're just going to go ahead and got the handlebars fairly straight. We're just going to get a tape measure, set the toe, and then tighten those up. So I just take a tape measure and measure across the lugs. Got like right at 29 inches right there to the outside edge. Did the same measurement on the back side of the tire and got real close to the same. So we're going to go ahead and tighten up the jam nuts and call it good. We'll let him drive it for a while, hit some jumps with it, and then I'll check it again and make sure the handlebars are straight also. So here's the new front bumper that we picked up. Looks quite a bit beefier than the bent up stock unit there. This is the old style DG. They have like a V bumper now, but I actually like the look of this one better anyway. So we were able to get this one. So we're going to go ahead and throw that on. I think it's going to look pretty cool. And then we also got some new taller handlebars. We're going to throw them on hopefully here in a few minutes also. So right now I'm just going to take the old bumper off. There, got it.
How does the top part go on?
I'll show you.
Are we going to need to make holes?
Nope.
How does it go in there?
You'll see. Very carefully. Okay, careful with that. Give that a kick and see how strong it is. Pretty stout, isn't it? Hopefully it fares better than your last one. Try not to wrap this one around a tree. Glad we got those upgrades done. A lot more height on the handlebars now. It's even more comfortable for me to ride it, I can already tell. Hopefully this upgrade with the handlebars will keep him on this quad a little bit longer as he gets a little bit bigger.